po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
Official headshots of the Mr. of Filipinas Lipas City 2024 candidates. Get ready to meet the exceptional men who are vying for the prestigious title of Misters of Filipinas Lipas City 2024. And these candidates represent the true essence of Lipas City with their charm, spirit, and unwavering passion. Each of them has been carefully selected to compete, showcasing not only their physical attributes but also their dedication to community service, leadership, and personal growth.
Here are the last batch of Mr. Filipinas Lipas City 2024. Baron Marie Velasco, Barangay 10. Christian Paul Sanchez, Barangay Nusluban. Angelo Justin Reyes, Barangay Marawoy. Jester Adrian Rubis, Barangay 3. Aldrin Robin, Barangay Pangaw.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!